Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove the jack from a Mitsubishi Mirage. First, open your vehicle's trunk. Then, locate the cargo floor cover, which is usually a carpeted panel. Carefully lift this cover to expose the spare tire and the tools stored beneath it. This initial step provides access to the jack and other essential items you might need for a tire change or roadside assistance. Make sure the trunk is fully open for easy access. Once the cargo floor cover is lifted, you'll see the spare tire. The jack is usually nestled beside or within the spare tire well. It's often secured to prevent rattling while driving. Take a moment to visually locate the jack and any accompanying tools, such as the lug wrench. Knowing where these items are stored is crucial for quick access when you need them most. They are designed to be compact and out of the way. Now that you've located the jack, it's time to release it. Most Mitsubishi Mirage models use a simple wing nut or a strap to hold the jack firmly in place. Turn the wing nut counterclockwise until it's completely loose or unclip the securing strap. Once the retaining mechanism is disengaged, you can carefully lift the jack out of its designated storage area. Be mindful of its weight and any sharp edges. With the jack removed, you're ready to use it for your specific task, like changing a flat tire. Remember to always consult your vehicle's owner's manual for detailed instructions on safe jacking points and proper usage. When you're finished, return the jack to its compartment, securing it tightly with the wing nut or strap to prevent movement and noise. This ensures it's ready for next time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.